In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make video invitation in Canva with VoiceOver. Once on Canva, you're going to go over to the top left hand corner and you're just going to tap on Create. After selecting Create, in the search bar, you're going to type in wedding invitation, for example, or whatever type of invitation you like to create. And you're just going to select Video. After you have selected Video, you will be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you'll now be able to add the photos or video, or you can choose to use a template. So you could go over to the left hand menu option, tap on Uploads. From here you could select Upload File and you could upload the videos that you would like to use. If you would like to use their template option for a layout, you can select Templates. Then you could scroll down and you can see different templates that you can choose from. Keep in mind that any one of the templates that you choose that has a crown, you'll need to be on the Canva paid plan to use it. But there are a few templates that you could use for free. So let's say, for example, this one. I'll just select it. Now to add the voiceover, you're going to tap right where you see Add Audio on the timeline right here. You'll simply tap right there. Then you're going to see the option Record Voiceover, and you're going to select Record Voiceover. From here, you can now select Record, and then it is going to give you a quick countdown, and you could record your voiceover. As you can see right there, it is now recording it. Once you're finished, you can tap on Finish, and just like that, you have recorded your voiceover. If you are having any problems recording your voiceover, more than likely you'll need to go over to the top left hand corner, tap right here, and you want to ensure that you have enabled microphone. So you want to enable microphone if you are having any problems, and just like that you'll be able to record your voiceover and you can play it, as you can see right there. If it is a case that you would like to increase the volume or so on your voiceover, you can simply select the voiceover, tap on the three dots, then select volume, and you can pull on the slider to increase the volume or decrease the volume. It's as easy as that. You can also tap on the three dots if you like to fade it or so on. You can do that. You can also split it, as you can see right there. And with the voiceover, if you would like to also add music in the background, you can do that too. If you would like to see that video, let me know in the comment section, and thank you for watching.